Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can we predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So here I have taken my trade in an up direction and I know the candle will close as a bullish. Let's see what happens here. So it has to close as a bullish candlestick. So here I have taken my trade in up direction and the candle will go up. So let's see what happens here. This is my second trade. Okay, let me take my third trade after this. Okay, now if I analyze the market right now here, so it is telling me that the candle, okay, the candle has to go up. If I get any good entry point, I will go with the buyers. Okay, I can take my trade in an up direction from this point, very good entry point, so I will win this trade for sure. Okay, so the movement of the market is like this. So these are the sellers entry point, these are the buyers entry points, you can see. Okay, so I won my trade also here. So let me analyze the market. Okay, if the candle comes down, I can confidently go with the buyers. Okay, a very good entry point. Okay, classic entry point for me. You can see here, let me set the trend line. Okay, now you can see still there is a gap for the level. So because of this gap, the candle will go up and it will close as a bullish. Okay, it will go up and will close as a bullish. So let me analyze the market here again. Okay, again I can go with the buyers. Okay, still I'm in a position to go with the buyers. Okay, again I can go with the buyers. This candle is a sign of continuation here. This candle is a sign of continuation. The candle will go up and it will close as a bullish for sure. You will see here. So for now I will pause my video for after this trade and I will continue the market trading. Okay, this is my last trade for this moment and I will continue the trading. Okay, let's see what happens. You can see how confident I am to take my trades and how the market is performing. Okay, so I will be back after a while. Okay, so I am back with trading. Okay, let's see. Okay, now you can see this movement is done. Now we are seeing a new movement. Okay, so let me analyze it and then I am going to take my trade. Okay, so what this is telling me, that this is telling me the next candle will go up. Okay, I have taken my trade in up direction. You can see a new high. It is the first thing which is giving me the confirmation that the candle will go up. So sellers are here right now, and if I analyze the market here, you can see from this point it is horizontal area, but the market will continue. So let's see what happens. Okay, so market movement was like this, it didn't went up, now it is coming down, so it means things are not in that manner right now. Okay, so after this candle again I can easily go with an up trade and I will definitely win my trade here. Okay, very classic trade here, so no need to worry about. The candle will go up and it will close as a bullish, because I am seeing, let me show you, you can see there is such a big gap here to this level, so because of this gap the market will go up and it will close as a bullish. Okay, I am 200% sure that the market will close as a bullish. Okay, now again I can go with the buyers. Okay, very good entry point, classic entry point, a sign of continuation. This candle is a sign of continuation in the middle of the trend. We have heard about this candle so many times that in the middle of the trend it is a sign of continuation because the sellers are here. So because of this big gap the candle is going up and it will close as a bullish. So for now this is my last trade, and after this trade I am going to finish my trading. So trading is not that much hard, but we make it difficult for ourselves because we analyze the market wrongly. So therefore we always get OTMs a lot of time. So here, if you like my video you can share, like and subscribe. I will make more and more videos for you all. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so now I cannot take any kind of trade because my target is achieved, and let me show you my results. So here you can see that my results are very perfect, accurate. So accuracy is very good of mine right now, so I tried each and everything to give you the knowledge which I have right now. So you can see. Okay, so someone asked me that okay, so how can we take trades on each and every candlestick? There are few hidden things which the market do with us, so we need to follow those things. And in my upcoming videos I will also share a bit about those things, because I know you all will get a classic knowledge from that. So let's hope for the best and stay safe, stay blessed, have a great weekend ahead. So take care you all, bye for now.